Welcome to the DNA podcast. In this episode, we explore how experts believe artificial intelligence could reshape extremist propaganda, recruitment, and cyber operations, creating a new and complex set of challenges for global security. Artificial intelligence was developed to improve productivity, communication, and problem-solving. But experts have repeatedly warned that widely available AI tools could also be misused by extremist organizations. Recent intelligence reports have raised concerns that the Pakistan-based terrorist group Lashkar-e-Taiba may be training its members to use artificial intelligence and other modern technologies. A video reportedly identified by Indian intelligence agencies appears to show a senior commander encouraging members to understand and adopt advanced technological tools. Security officials say this kind of training could eventually support a wide range of activities, including cyber attacks, maritime infiltration, online propaganda, and the spread of extremist ideology through social media. Agencies are reportedly monitoring these developments closely, because the integration of artificial intelligence into terrorist operations could create serious new security challenges. Researchers suggest that extremist organizations are unlikely to develop highly advanced AI systems on their own. Instead, they may depend on commercial models, open-source software, and widely available digital platforms that require only limited technical knowledge. As artificial intelligence becomes part of more everyday applications, these groups could exploit it whenever opportunities arise. Analysts believe the biggest impact may not come from one revolutionary capability. Instead, AI could gradually make several existing activities faster, cheaper, and more effective. Generative artificial intelligence, for example, can dramatically reduce the time and cost involved in producing persuasive digital content. Extremist groups could potentially use these tools to create customized articles, images, audio recordings, videos, translations, memes, and graphic designs. The content could then be adapted for specific communities or audiences. Deepfake technology could also be used to create convincing but false footage, imitate influential figures, or manipulate public opinion. At the same time, automated accounts could spread misleading messages rapidly across several platforms. This could make propaganda campaigns much harder to identify, track, and contain. Artificial intelligence may also support recruitment and radicalization. Experts believe these tools could help extremist organizations tailor messages according to a person's language, interests, location, or online behavior. As a result, extremist communication could appear more personal, relevant, and persuasive. The possible use of AI goes beyond propaganda. Professionals warn that artificial intelligence may also provide operational support by summarizing information, analyzing publicly available data, translating documents, or helping users identify possible cyber vulnerabilities. However, the actual effectiveness of these tools would still depend on several factors, including access, technical ability, and the security measures introduced by governments and technology companies. These reported developments have created particular concern in India because the group has been accused of carrying out several major terrorist attacks against the country. Its leadership and associated operatives remain under investigation in multiple cases. Indian agencies are also continuing to examine allegations involving cross-border planning, financing, and logistical support. A court in Jammu has reportedly issued a non-bailable warrant against the group's founder in connection with the Pahalgam attack case. Investigators have also alleged that evidence gathered through scientific examination and field investigations points towards a wider conspiracy originating in Pakistan. The accused may be tried in absentia if he remains outside the reach of Indian authorities. The growing availability of artificial intelligence means that tools once limited to specialized laboratories can now be accessed through ordinary computers and smartphones. These technologies offer enormous benefits, but their possible exploitation by terrorist groups also highlights the need for stronger safeguards, international cooperation, and continuous monitoring. Governments, security agencies, and technology developers now face a difficult task. They must find ways to limit harmful use without blocking legitimate innovation. The challenge will be to identify dangerous activity early, disrupt extremist networks, and prevent artificial intelligence from amplifying threats that already exist in both the physical and digital worlds. Thank you for tuning in to this podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating stories from India and beyond.